having children makes a marriage full. Having children makes also a marriage somewhat satisfying. Kaya ang mga anak, they are proof of your love for each other. Father, paano kami wala kaming anak? Ayaw mabala ka, kung wala kami anak, pati si Father wala siya anak, so sama-sama tayo, no? Ayaw lang karoon. Dili tanan, kataga kong kasya ng mga anak. But for you who have been given that blessing, this is also, this time is a chance for you to show your child and your future children, I do not just like your papa, I do not just love your mama, I chose your mama and I chose your papa. That shows something deeper and more wonderful. In a sense, it mirrors how God chooses us as His people. Mana, ang atong gospel, you shall love your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind. Ug ako isip sa kapari, representatives sa simbahan, ang hinaot ko na dili lang ang commitment ninyo sa usapusan, kung dili ang commitment din ninyo sa Ginoo. To follow His commands to the best we can. So, dili mo ito perfectly. Dili all the time makarespeta ka sa akong parents, dili all the time makahatag ka sa akong nangyayang, dili all the time na we will not say any lie. Sometimes, we follow a perfect God imperfectly. However, just like how He chose us, He will also see how we choose Him and how to do it together as a couple. And leading your child, your future children, closer to the Father. The second commandment in our gospel is love your neighbor as yourself. Have in mind therefore, Mel and Marika, na ayaw yun buhata ang mga butang na digit sa kaganahan na mabuhat sa inyo. Be faithful to each other, be thoughtful to each other, be kind to each other. And these are expressions of your love. Pero sa akin, makalimot ka sa kindness mo. Labi na pagkahipulo yung bana. Labi na pag malapita yung asawa. Sa akin, makalimot ka to be kind. Maaga kasi na siya struggle, kasi na siya issue. Kasi namin siya yung ilagyan. Sometimes we forget to be kind to those who we love and to those who love us. So this kindness, thoughtfulness, is a sign of love to each other. And I hope you do that to your children and to the rest of the family. We are all here as witnesses to this union between Mel and Monica, and we continue praying to God for blessings upon this lovely couple. Congratulations and best wishes. Please all stand. Dearly beloved, Mel and Marika are here today to seal their love with an eternal bond before the church. We assure you of our prayers that God will pour His abundant blessings on your love and help you to carry out the duties of the married state. And you, community here, dear brothers and sisters, may I ask you to help them with your prayers and support our newly wedded couple. May I ask you truthfully to answer the following questions in Marika. Did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband? Mel, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife? To both of you, are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children God will give you? Yes. Mel and Marika, since you wish to contract holy matrimony